Ayan o.
Beautiful.
Ito yung Pu Tower.
Pu Tower.
Ito ang Pu Tower dito sa China. 338.
380.
Ay, sorry, 388
Yes, 88
meters.
meters.
Ayan.
Post Eric. Eric.
Ayan. Oh. Gabi na.
Same as shopping mall. Also, shopping mall inside. A mall. Shopping mall?
Shopping mall?
This one no. Only
No. This is not a shopping mall.
Doon kami galing sa taas.
This is just a tourist place.
tourist attraction.
It's just go out, go to the top and see the scenery. Shopping mall in city center. This is the East Zhengzhou.
This one use many electricity.